touchy and sensitive to him. In short, iyakin. That's why for your birthday, I am going to give you a diary just to let you know that whenever things go right or wrong in your life, you should record everything so that you will have something to share with your children in the future or read in your alone moments. We love you, Patis. Peace, love, and happiness from the Soy family. Your cast, Oging, Garrett, Ivory, your Tito Gary, and yours truly, Tita On. Happy birthday, Patis.